Jamaican dancehall promoter and spouse charged with shoplifting in the US. Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to Yard and Abroad TV, people. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button right now. If you're on Facebook and you haven't followed this channel, please go ahead and hit the follow button right now, people. So, news coming out of the United States of America. Yes, people, in the US. The US, may I get this news from? So, I'm getting this article also from the Jamaica Gleaner, where it's saying that a Jamaican couple has been charged in the US for shoplifting. People, shoplifting, my God. Left Jamaica, gone to America, go shoplift. My God, people, like, sometimes you have to see things and do without. You see me? If you can't afford it, just do without it. You see me? Jano, get arrested and locked up for shoplifting, my God. So, viewers and subscribers, the article goes on to say, a Jamaican couple based in the United States have been arrested in connection to alleged shoplifting in New Milford, Connecticut. Jadian Richards, 41, a party promoter popularly known as J Icon, and businesswoman spouse Akiwili Laws Richards, 42, popularly known as Apple, are also under investigation for a number of similar alleged shoplifting incidents at various home goods stores in New York, New Jersey, and Connecticut. People is a tri-state shoplifting them go on. Observer Online understands that both were charged with larceny, conspiracy to commit larceny, and second-degree forgery. The charges stem from an alleged shoplifting incident at home goods store in New Milford on February 25th. According to a Facebook post from the Southborough Police Department, its officers were alerted to two individuals who allegedly stole several items from the store in New Milford. Following notification of the alleged New Milford theft, Southbury officers responded to another home goods store in the town of Southbury. While on the scene, the police reportedly spotted a vehicle that matched the description of the suspect's vehicle parked outside. Upon their arrest, the couple were allegedly found in possession of a large amount of fraudulent home goods receipts, fake driver's license from the tri-state area, a retail theft device, and other stolen items. It is understood that the Jamaicans are well known in entertainment circles, were released on bond this week, and are expected to appear in court later this month. People, that's why I'm saying I can't ready eye and bad mind people, you know. You know, see them in a party, you know, see them a floss, you know, see them a do all this other extravagant things. Don't watch them. Just watch yourself, people. Don't follow the crowd. You see me? Because sometimes, as I say, you see people that do these extravagant things and you don't know how they are funding and how they are going about this. You see me? You see them in expensive clothes, you see them in expensive this, you don't know what them a do, a thief, them a thiefy. You see me? You see them with them house well nice and pretty. You say, oh, you want a house like that, but you don't know how them a get their things together. Probably a thiefy. Do not watch people and what them have going on in a for them life, people, because you never know. As me say, a thief them could have thiefy people. So I'm going to read you a few comments of what people are saying about this. You see me? People in the comment section, I say, I'm here for the comments. Humbly ourselves, our time will. Always the hype ones. Not everything glitter is gold. Lord Jesus, all for keeping up appearances. You see me, people? All for keeping up appearance, for people who you know probably now go see again. Why? Why do it if you know can't maintain and fund them lifestyle? Like, you no need to let it go. Let it go. Why try impress people who you don't know? Why try impress people y'all do not know? Me say this all the time. Don't follow the crowd. You see me, people? Once we get more information on this, I will update you guys as usual because I know more information is going to come out. You see me, people? All right. So once again, remember to follow Yard and Abroad TV, subscribe, like, share, do all them good things. You see me, people? Bless up in yourself. Loving, all right?